it's a wonderful movie. As a painter, as an artist, I'm feeling it's a wonderful job that Maharshi did today. It's going to become.
Why you loved the movie? What is the specialty in this film?
It's a
Drawing
unique kind of quality is there. In India, actually, I never seen it's a movie on artist's life like this. There are so many movies we will see in Tollywood and Bollywood and other industries, but this is we can keep aside among the all movies. It's a wonderful job. I think there are so many movies coming out. It's based on technical and the character oriented, and there are so many other kinds of spaces are there. But I can say Maharshi utilizing is a wonderfully technological aspects and characterization, whatever. Those are all things actually is working along with Maharshi, I can say. It's all as a mixing. It's a wonderful combination. We cannot say that it's 100% suits as a movie what he produced actually. We can see, what I mean to say is there is a technological aspects we can see separately, as in stories separately and songs separately. We'll see it's a common kind of experience for everybody in the society. But here I'm seeing all the technological things and walking along with Maharshi. So this is the unique kind of he's utilizing wonderful 100% aptable. So that is what I'm finding as a new kind of output from Maharshi. It's wonderful. I can say one thing that every artist and every common man should see this movie.
Why every audience should see?
See, it's a kind of pen of a painter, but I can say here if there is no it doesn't maybe not belongs to the fine arts background and fine arts an artist, but it touches every common person also. I can say that in life, in everybody's life there is a pain. They can they should have especially painter it's completely different. There is no chance to know about their own pain in other kind of lives. Especially artists, his live and his works, his things, and every energy. Goes with day-to-day life of a painter. It's kind of pain. So that's why I'm saying that it's more close to the people. Those who are literally they are feeling their own kinds of feelings and lives. I can say that.
What are the highlights of movie? What do you think?
Just the pain is the highlight. It's a relation between the his wife and artist. It's a wonderful kind of expression. I can say that. It's a really very sensitive and a very wonderful picturization. I cannot say that it's a picturization. It's a kind of a live depiction of the pain of painter. I can say this much. Yeah.
Everywhere debates are going about director come actor Mahar's performance. So have you found anything difference in performance level?
Sure. Yeah. Is it really totally in the movie? Totally, Maharshi is an ultimate kind of a center point of this movie, and at the same time, I can say everybody. They justifies their roles. I can say that in doctor and dealer and his wife and his friend. Really, there are wonderful jobs they did actually along with Maharshi. It's going to be wonderful combination. I can say. Yeah.
So, as a painter, how did you feel?
It touches my heart. I can say it's very strongly. When really speechless. No, it's a wonderful, wonderful job. Yeah. I feel myself. It's a pain of a painter. Really, it's a wonderful. I ever seen this kind of movie in India. Actually, I can say. Sometimes I'm feeling while I'm seeing this movie. I'm trying to compare with Van Gogh's and kind of life actually. It's some sort of kind of pain. I'm comparing with Van Gogh's life actually. It's totally wonderful job Maharshi did today.